Bruh. Bruh.
Hey traders, welcome to episode 627 of the show. You could be doing anything but you're here on a Thursday night. Really appreciate it. And Bitcoin hasn't really done anything. If anything, it's sold off $70+ on the day. Tonight is patron night, so I'm gonna be hanging out with them in the Discord. So stream will be about the same, just a little bit more conjecture, you know, auditory conjecture that you're used to, more than one voice. Okay, so I'm gonna go in there. Well, I mean, I don't know, maybe I'll like analyze. I don't know, I'll go in there now, whatever. Hey, what's going on?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Yo.
Hey, so yeah,
Hey,
just
Lord.
yeah, we got Sideways, Ollie Smokes, Little Irish, Liberty, Curious, Probes, Caffeine, Bradford, 1G Project, all in the house tonight.
What's up?
Yeah, so we just got done with the Patreon pregame. We do that like mostly every Thursday, except for July. And yeah, we just talk about certain assets people want to see. We're gonna look at a few after the main, cryptos. I mean, dude, is it even? What's even the point of looking at like Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, or any others besides? I mean, Monero seems something to look at just because it's doing different things than all the others, man. BNB too, like got a couple. Other than that, man, this market is blah. Bitcoin's great though. So no more S-Coin min boys in these parts, not for now anyway. So all right, just the analysis of Bitcoin, the same one. I think we could go to, well, first off, let's talk about the rare Pepe pattern. It's beautiful, man. It's friggin' beautiful. This is it right here. It's textbook. It's a 4-candle pattern. 1, 2, 3. On the way down, you have 3 candles, right? And the 4th candle is a bullish engulfing candle, of course, at the first, but not just at the first, but all the previous 3 candles. This happened to be some sort of 5-line strike, believe it or not, even though it's not a real thing. And so it's, yeah, of course, sometimes you get that right there, but all that matters is the previous 3. This is just a textbook bearish 3-line strike, and yes, it's called bearish even though it's bullish. I don't know really why. I think it's because it's like you're striking the bearish line or something. I don't know. So, dude, I just look at Bulkowski. He's the one that talks about it, not me. I mean, like, I'm just saying what the name is. So bearish 3-line strike. It's great. But it's that simple. There's like literally not anything else to the pattern besides that. And one thing is, it's one of the most rare patterns that exist out there. But that doesn't give it 100% reliability, so it may not take off. But 46 minutes left till the 4-hour close, and we're kind of getting back inside that flag, not breaking above. I mean, we broke out last 4-hour candle, but now it's kind of in jeopardy getting back there. But the good news, I guess, is that we're still outside of the downswing resistance, right? This one from June 26th, July 10th. All right, we're out of that still, so it's good. Oh man. All right. So how are y'all doing tonight in the voice chat?
Very good.
How do y'all feel about Bitcoin price action as of late?
I'm not sure. I want it to break 12,300.
12,300? Yeah, well, I mean, 12,200 would be good too, right? I see what you're saying. The 12.3 is that June 29th area. Yeah, man, dude. I mean, like the weekly is so nice. The weekly is great right now. I mean, man, like just looking at it, you bullishly engulfed last week. You have follow through price action, which is always good. You're still not overbought, even though you're getting real close on the weekly, and you're just slightly above an overhead resistance that must be broken and closed. Right, you must close above this. We haven't done that yet. 11.8. You're right. Some wick from November of 2017, but for the most part, the heart and the meat of this overhead resistance is broken. That's really 11,500, which yesterday, that is where we bounced 11,500. Right, so we just bounced off a weekly old resistance, used it as support, and then rallied to the upside, and here we are at 11,900. Got as high as 12,050 earlier. So this is a big deal. Going the daily. Going back to the same spot. As you can see on the daily, everything's broken. We broke everything. That's a clean break right now, chat. I mean, there's no resistance until 12,754. Okay. So if you can sustain prices above this long enough for enough days, and hopefully by Sunday, that would be extremely good. That would be the first weekly candle close above 11,767. First time in over 52 weeks, right? Last time we were at these prices, I mean, and had a weekly close above it was January, the week of January 8th, 2018, man. So long ago. Because as you can see, this candle right here fell below it and had a close. I mean, this was the... Yeah, was that the... one of the dead cat bounces? Good God.
That was the short from God. This double top in February.
Yeah. Are we talking about February? Oh, yeah. Sorry, it looks different on the weekly. I don't look at it near as much on the weekly as I do daily, right?
Yeah.
But, yeah, the divergence and all that.
Oh.
So, I mean, I don't know, dude. This is all really good what Bitcoin's doing. This is like, if someone was favoring higher price action, like higher prices, this is the exact stuff that Bitcoin has to do before it runs to higher prices. So, that's it, man. Having the chat for Bitcoin. Being above 11.75 right now, 5.0. Great. Good follow through price action on the bullish engulfing candle. It's great, man. It's like, what more could you ask for at this point? Just give it time, man. You have to give it time. If this is really to play out, you have to wait till like Sunday to know. On the weekly at least. Okay, so. Alright, man. Should we look at the S coins? I mean, the other, excuse me, the formidable other altcoins. Excuse me. I guess we will. Alright, so just made an adjustment to the bottom trend line. Maybe made a little bit more sense. Alright, like 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points, and this ended up being the 5th, I guess. So, not really looking great, man. Oscillators look bearish convergence. Not really. Well, here we go. No, that's also convergence. Yeah, it's not a higher low, it's a lower low. This is all bearish convergence going on Ethereum right now. So we zoom out. Use sound check too. This audio is loud to me with these headphones on. But we broke the down sloping structure, but we know that is just part one, step one. Next step after breaking a geometrical trend line is to break a horizontal line resistance. All right, lots of it, man. Lots and lots of resistance here, dude. Not gonna be easy to break. But if you do, it could be glorious. Glorious run up to like 250. Yeah, 382 is 257, and that's the golden zone. That's where one would expect, I mean, not expect, but where most commonly an asset, when it begins its retrace, would go to. And that's not expecting. That's just based on probabilities and research of Fibonacci. That's where you commonly go. All right. 257, 298.50. Great. Same analysis. Hadn't changed. Okay. Here you go. Litecoin. Same crap, man. It's like ascending triangle kind of developing now a little bit. I think you could argue there are a couple reaction highs now and multiple reaction lows. You're just at this critical support. It's like you're back testing the downsloping resistance, the downsloping trend line of the descending broadening wedge, and you're testing the upsloping support. Right now they're confluent with each other and you're just bouncing off of that. That's it. So you've got to get back above that. I mean, here you go. Here's the sell wall. Eventually, if it keeps doing that, there is, possible chance that all the sell orders could get filled. There could be no more supply at this price. There could only be supply at where the square ups are, around like 118, around 130, maybe one around 140. Those are square ups. So on Litecoin. Oh my God, man. Could be low risk areas to buy, but if Bitcoin dumps, you know where Litecoin's going. It's going in the gutter. Going in the gutter. Same with XRP. Same crap, man. It's just doing a whole bunch of nothing. right? It like broke out of the triangle both ways, just whipsawing, whatever. And it's just hitting this support at 30.458 cents, which is an area we've hit a multitude of times over the course of 2019. Also fallen below it, and rarely we've gotten to 28.316 cents. But as you can see, you're at what would be considered potentially some sort of lower risk area, even though we know if Bitcoin dumps real bad, XRP, 28 cents. If it doesn't hold 28 cents, it could go to the rarest of rare Pepe supports, way down at like 25.350 cents. You ready for the rare Pepes, chat? Anyone?
The rarest of Pepes.
Yeah, dude.
Are we playing the wheel?
We can.
All right.
We can play the wheel.
Debt Connect.
Chat, if you want to play the wheel, we can do it, man. I don't care. I'll get it set up, I guess. Thursday night, man. It's Friday Eve. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. My voice seems extremely low tonight. I don't know why. It's sometimes weird, man. Like lower than normal. Or am I just crazy? Oh, Larly in the house? Let me say hi to chat.
Yeah, let's chat with them on Discord.
Discord Connect. Oh, you got it, Bradford. Nice, man. Very nice. 10:01. You were off, man. You were just off. So, anyway, I guess we can go to Bitcoin Cash, whatever. Same thing. I think what we could do at this point on Bitcoin Cash, and probably the others too, is like we know the triangle, you're out of it. You're not really doing much on a breakout. It's not like there's this violent move up. Crypto Stream Radio, thanks for the $1.20 something cents, or is that 5 rubles? Rupees? Could be Indian, could be Russian. We don't know. He says, love your work, Mitch. Or Zelda. It could be in Zelda, too. Smash that like, bruh.
Bruh.
There's your bro. Oh, coming in from Brazil. Sorry, man. Thank you, dude. Dead Connect.
Bruh.
Did you pay off the chuggy load from the last mountain of debt?
I did it live. I did it. Oh, my God. It was the most legendary one ever that got taken down because of all the music playing in Vegas. Bradford, tell them how glorious it was, man. Maybe Bradford's AFK.
Yeah, I mean, you missed the chug. There was a lot of stuff going on.
Oh yeah, but I could download it and send it to like Chaylin or someone to make a highlight video of, and we could get it back up, you know. Oh my god, dude.
Bruh.
I have 2 spins now. Crap. All right.
Low interest rates.
Get this going, dude. I'm gonna have to get a beer too. All right. Wheel spin connect. Dude, this music's so good. I'm digging it a lot. What? Oh, here we go. Oh no, why is it not showing up? Maybe refresh the catch. That's weird. There it is. Oh, it's a gulp. So, a gulp. Let me get this. I think I have a beer. That would be bad if I didn't. Give me a sec. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, I got this beer. All right, 1 gulp. All right. Oh crap! What the?
I make $45,000 a year, yet a $600,000 house seems wise. Rip.
Who is that, dude? Debt Connect? Who are you talking about?
Everyone in the 2006, 2007.
Oh yeah, true that. True that. All right, this is number 2. All right, I have to gulp again. All right. One more wheel spin, chat. One more wheel spin. All right, I'll be caught up on my debt. All right, gulp again. All right, dang, bad luck. Oh, yeah. So I was thinking about Thank you, Dead Connect. Probst. Oh my god. Oh, here we go, dude.
Bruh.
Oh, yeah.
At least it's not the German bun.
The German Bund.
Yeah, it's inverted yield.
Oh, yeah.
It's so bad.
Negative interest rate. Sorry, gulp again for me. All right, sweet. Caught up. Okay, so I think maybe on this one. Oh yeah, it's beautiful too. Beautiful little channel, right? You've got going on. It's got 1, 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top, and the heartline respect is beautiful. So I think that's the way we could look at it versus some sort of triangle breakout, because did it really break out with this price action? That's not really much of a breakout. Okay, so hey, that's okay. It's okay, man. You're still up sloping. You can continue on. You've hit the golden zone on Bitcoin Cash. Okay, man. I feel like this music, I feel like I'm inside One-Eyed Willie's cave in the Goonies, man. All right. Does anyone else feel that way?
Bruh.
Oh my god.
We can't hear your music.
Elizabeth
What?
Warren is having an affair with a certain
We can't hear
moon
you.
boy.
Yeah, we can't hear the
I have
stream.
pics.
So.
Oh, sorry.
Send BTC.
Yeah.
Pretty much streams off.
Elizabeth Warren's having an affair with certain moon boy. You have pics. Send BTC. Oh my god, Chad, you hear that? I bet it's Vet Moon Boy. Oh my god.
Bruh.
Luda the Finn.
Where's Drink Troll when we need him?
Where's Drink Troll when you need him? Oh my god. Yeah, well, hey. Y'all are acting as Drink Troll tonight, I guess, right? Spin wheels, wind spills. What? Wheel spins, sorry. Oh no, Chug. It just landed on Chug. You gotta be effing kidding me.
Yes.
But the thing is, just so stupid because I only have 1 beer. I think I have whiskey, I guess I could live with. But jeez, dude, 1 chug. I'm gonna chug this, I guess, out of the can. Oh my god, man, it's so bad, dude.
Take a shot of whiskey and just sip.
Yeah,
it.
I could do that. I have to go get it though. People are gonna get mad, dude. Holy crap. All right, so social too. Everyone. Crap, chat. I'm gonna go get that shot. I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm gonna turn the music up. Gangs. Well, no, y'all keep talking to the chat. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn Bitcoin back
We're
on.
a little bit behind, but
That's okay.
All right, I'm gonna say something.
All right, 1G Project's talking. Everyone, your undivided attention.
I'll translate.
I'll be right back, Kings.
Go make a beer.
Ok, les gars, je vais vous montrer comment faire de la poutine. Tu prends des frites, tu mets de la sauce, puis du fromage. I'm gonna traduce it.
Voulez-vous
get all that?
marcher avec moi? C'est choix.
It's getting hot in here.
What he said is, our #1 country sport is hockey, but we have no teams left. So we decide to win sport we should never win, and win basketball. Better for the Germans to loan money to China with inverted yields, which is why Trump and Treasury are upset at China. Well, there's a MK. There's a unofficial leak that there is a coalition of the willing to the major axes to all lower their interest rates at the same time.
I'm back. Oh my god. Sorry. Yeah, that was unexpected. Wow. Hey, my someone tipped $10 in Bitcoin. My catch is broken. I have to fix that. Dude, it's always something. Like streaming is like there's so much stuff that can go wrong. Like it's like a spaceship, dude.
The chat isn't displaying on the stream either.
God, dude. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Dude, this has been going on the whole stream, hasn't it?
Anything go right?
Dude.
Did you hear there's a unconfirmed, but coalition of the willing of apparently 5 countries that are all going to agree to interest rate connect.
Japan bringing PlayStations.
No, I was so pissed.
No, I'm just kidding. The coalition of the willing, that Dave Chappelle skit. Sorry. Oh, they were talking New World Order stuff while we were gone. Hey, man. I, for one, welcome our new overlords. Probes is in
told
charge.
them.
Eric Dopkins, it's including us. It's us and 4 other countries.
I told them the great secret of how to make poutine.
Poutine Connect. All right, here's
Is that
your
what you said?
shot, dude. Whiskey, man.
I
Oh
tipped
my
$11 at. Okay, stayed home dad. Tipped $11 at Bitcoin. AMD requested a spin for everyone in Patreon chat. Okay. Are you're directly challenging us for the spin, so we all have to chug if it lands on chug?
God. No, that was normally just for me, but we can do that. Okay.
Well, he's
choosing.
putting the spin on us. But the rules were if you put the spin on us and it lands back on you, you double the work. So double chug.
No, not double shot.
I'm fine with that.
I just took a shot of that whiskey.
No,
It's the death, dude.
Stay-at-home dad would have to do a double chug.
Oh, okay. I got you.
If you throw it on someone else and, chug hits, if you're doing it for 8 people to chug, if it hits tipper drinks, then he's got to put down 2 glasses of wine.
Okay, well, this one's for him because I'm behind on one, right?
Oh, you sound like
Social, everyone drinks. All right,
you
sweet.
sound like you've been living in Antarctica for a year.
Yeah, because I don't want to taste this, so I block up my nasal cavity so I can't smell.
What kind of whiskey is it?
Just Jim Beam, man. Ugh. It doesn't matter what whiskey is. Just you're shooting whiskey, dude. That's like gross, man. I don't care. It's just
Jameson? Oh,
I don't know, man.
Jameson all day.
Hey, throw a little bit of Tennessee honey in it, like a splash. Makes it a lot better.
Let's put coffee in it.
Or take a shot of pickle juice right after.
Yeah, let me go get my pickle juice. Oh yeah.
Do you not have a jar of pickles in the house?
No, I don't have a jar of pickles.
Oh, all right.
I have one pickle. All right, hold on.
Probably better than the tequila then, right?
Oh
That's
my God, the
a
agave
thing in
would kill
New
me,
York
man.
City. They sell shots with pickle juice backs.
Pickleback connects. Yes.
You take the shot. They have them in a certain city, little Sin City that
You Walt might.
Cousin Eddie lost all his life savings at, or Clark lost all the life savings he had.
Oh man. Did y'all notice that there was
Wild Turkey 101.
There was some, I guess you could say, on the 4 hour, there was some sort of bullish convergence in a way. It was like Class C. I don't even know. What do you call a higher low with the same level of negative Momo? It's because it's not Class C.
Well, it's hidden bullish divergence. They're using up more negative momentum to not push price down this.
But it's not. It's like it would have been a higher level of negative Momo on this right side, right, where it would be below. But it's like double bottoming. So it's like the way
but
you're
it's Clash B hidden bullish divergence.
Well, like this would be, if you're looking at the screen in a second, like it's like, okay, your low, your higher low, and then you have your, hold on, crap. What?
Bruh.
I got Jim Beam.
Jim
Captain
Beam?
Morgan is smoother.
Oh, sure is. Yeah, it's a lot lighter too. It's good. Thank you, Luda the Finn, for the 1337 elite contribution.
Bruh.
All right, we'll do the wheel spin in like 2 seconds. Just wanted to get this put to bed here. So then you'd make a low on negative Momo, and then a lower low, and right, you're not getting that here in this situation. What you're getting in real time is like, yes, the low, the higher low, but then you're getting like this. You're like getting the same amounts of negative Momo. You're like double bottoming on higher lows. So it's got to be like some sort of like, it's got to be a little bit more like convergence. It's stagnation. So like Class C divergence always signifies stagnation. So if this is some sort of form of that, like Class C hidden bullish divergence, that means it's probably not, I don't even know what it would mean. I guess it's weird.
It's
dude.
what it kind of is. Class C hidden bullish divergence, but it's nothing, I guess.
It's more like neutral.
Yeah, I think it's more neutral. It doesn't really mean anything. It doesn't do anything. It's not like telling us anything much. Just stagnation in Momo.
Well, the RSI gave you hidden bullish divergence. But
It's your triple RSI, yeah. Hype in the chat. That was real nice, dude, because I was like, really, I mean, you don't know.
I have an indicator that like it fires off divergent bullish MACD divergences, and the hidden ones are the kings.
Yeah, dude.
Those are insane.
So we're talking about, chat? You don't know? So it's like you made a low on price, a higher low on price with lower levels of relative strength. Then you made an actual higher low. What? Higher low with lower levels of relative strength. That is bullish. That's hidden bullish divergence, man. Okay.
The mindset behind it is they're using more energy to push price down, and they can't.
Yeah, they're struggling. And then you get, what? Are you kidding me? We're selling off, and then we get a 3-line strike at a critical like daily support. What? Are you kidding? Like, it's just, yeah, it could fail here. But dude, the things that it's doing right now on Bitcoin are extremely bullish. Like, that's like the bullish price action stuff. All right, so I don't care. You can get mad all you want for me saying this stuff, but I got to spin the wheel. Screwed.
Adam in chat, be careful on the decay. He said thanks for the
Oh my god, it was so close. Spinner drinks.
buying call options on GLD. It seems to be stalling at that area. Your decay might get to you. Might sell some.
Yeah, you're at a 50% retrace from all time
Sell
highs.
some call premium above you.
Luta, if you have a drink or if you partake in anything else recreationally, you have to hit it or drink it because spinner drinks. I don't have to drink. Thank God. So, Crypto Late Bloomer.
Is it still me
What do you mean, is it still you? John Wayne Jesus?
on the spin?
Is
on the
this
spins?
me? It's John Wayne Jesus, man. Is it still you on the spin?
On the spins, yeah. Is the debt paid off?
I paid all the debt off. Yeah, dude. Paid it all.
Okay.
Certainly. If you're enjoying the live stream, that like button, that bell, that sub. Bitcoin's still selling off. 11,855. 20 minutes left, showing some weakness on power hour. Not really what you're looking for, but still above the downside resistance of the channel, which is good. Just really unfortunate you couldn't break this downside resistance. Been respecting the crap out of it. I would have preferred more follow-through price action on the 3-line strike. My God. We're just not getting it. It's okay. Because I'm thinking, you broke it, and then, what is this? This is support, 11,750 or so. What if we go back test that before, rallying the upside? Just like we back tested 11,450, back tested 11,200 before rallying again. So, whatever, man, whatever. If we want to go to daily, we can, and we can also talk about more. Oh no, man, no, you're wrong, Chronosindus.
11.8's a lot of support, and you're
11.7
halfway into a 4.8.
Yeah, you're 11.9 or 12 is resistance from July 4th, but that's about it, I think. You're right at a wick. You're right at a January 20th, 2018 little wick right there. Couldn't even see it. Yeah, that's right there. It's nothing though. It's not part of overhead resistance. Like, dude, there's just where we are. There's not much resistance at all. Gotta love that daily close, man. Just a doji indecision candle after a bullish engulfing, and an indecision candle that closed above 11.8 and 11.5. Back testing both. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. What'd you project? What do you think, man?
I think it's good.
Have in the chat.
Are you starting to get into Sim Triangle territory with
Uh-oh, here we go. We got Luta coming in again with 1337, dude.
All night in a pocket full of change.
Oh, man. Jeez, dude. All right. Probes, here we go. We got another spin coming.
for us against us? Against me?
Just me, I guess. I don't know. Like,
right.
yeah, it's gold for me.
No, they have to call us out. All right.
Okay, yeah, if you want someone else to partake in that, then you just call them out for sure. All right, there you go, Luta Man. I'm gonna turn down that audio on the spin. There's got to be a way to do that. Let's see. I don't see the audio though. It doesn't make sense. Why is there no audio sound for the clicky click? Someone research that, how to turn down the clicking noise of the wheel spin on Streamlabs. What the heck, man? Properties? Maybe I could just mute it. I don't know how to mute an actual one widget itself. It's just a file. And Stay at Home King, I think that I refreshed the catch on the Streamlabs for the Bitcoin, so it should be okay now. But thank you, dude, for the 10 of Bitcoin. Sorry, dude, I just didn't see it. I was downstairs. I'm like, what? Let me get rid of this real quick. On the daily. Oh, you're talking about Sim Triangle? No, it'd be Pennant, if anything, right? With the higher lows and lower highs that you're talking about? Yeah, Pennant action. Just to me, it looks kind of like we've got some absorption going on where, you're in an area of resistance, and at that area, there are people taking profit, there are people taking shorts, and there are also people, again, while we're staying up at this levels because of the absorption going on.
Spin for stay at home dad.
All right, this spins for stay at home dad. Okay, oh my god.
Bruh.
Here we go, dude. Stay at home kings, you might be screwed, man. Okay. The sits on show, you don't have to. Oh my god, stay at it. Thank god he chose him and not me. Oh my god, it's a chug, dude.
Did I get a chug? Yes.
Dude, oh my god.
MK
This
roll
game.
the dice on a Friday?
No, that was a Luta, right?
I'm talking about MK.
MK.
MK says he has a huge short on the NASDAQ.
Oh, okay.
Going
Well, I
into a
think
Friday?
Larley's doing it too because of that. Because longs don't want to keep their positions open during such weird situations on the stock market, right?
Yeah.
And we're getting near a golden retrace from the high point to low point on a recovery. The bounce. Speaking of, I gotta go to the other one. I gotta go CME for you, dude. Hold on. Sorry, I mean there's a lot of stuff going on, but I think this is some
it's
good
not like
price.
Bitcoin where price action can move. Yeah, news can come out over the weekend, but price action can't change over the weekend.
Dude, look at this beautiful, beautiful channel when you see it on screen. So pretty. It's like perfect. I mean, I think it's pretty. But I think there's also like another channel like. Okay, so look, that contains everything from the lowest low to the recovery, the high, that first high that we never made a lower low again, right? But then you could probably talk about something like this. Yeah, where you have like one on the bottom. Two on the bottom.
I'm behind you, so I'm just.
Yeah, you just wait for it. You'll see it now. It looks really good.
Still early.
Yeah, that's
Fill
a
the
good
jar.
20, 30 second
Pick a
delay.
hat.
Still early.
Just-
Fill the jar. Pick a hat.
Bruh.
Is
Alright.
CME
Luta.
the chart that indicates a pending recession? It was way pumped up in 2008. I only saw it for a second and then dumped when everyone's got futures positions open.
Luta, you drink. You have to drink, Luta. I think this is the butte right here. Super fantastic. And like why you like it, because the angle of ascent changed from this low to this higher low. It all of a sudden, angle of ascent means more buyers, more buying pressure. That means it's a steeper ascent up. So therefore you adjust to that, and you can see it where we had a low here and then we went a lower low, right? And so we went from the lowest low, right? I guess the higher low, what makes the most sense, right? Like using anchor point 1, 2 wouldn't work at all, but this anchor point to this one is like perfect, man. All right. Others could argue that you could go all the way up to this point. I don't really see a point in that. It doesn't really help at all. I want to go from like that low to high, right, for the channel, and then that next low, the anchor point, and it lines up pretty brilliantly. And we are at all-time highs on this, and we go from the high point to the low point for fibs, and the 1272 is upon us at $220. There it is, 1272 fib extension. After that's 274. After that is 375. I've got to get a new color for my gold mean ratio. No one can see it. I can't even see it, dude. It's too purple nurple for the naked eye.
Bruh.
Okay, hold on. Oh, my music stopped. Dude, my stream's been on the whole time. Oh my god.
Dude, look at that. You're just back to when was that? Previous 2009. Oh yeah. Yeah, they have. God, what was it? It was an amazing amount of money in open contracts right now. They're just ka-chinging on.
Oh, I'm sure, man. I'm sure it was a record number of options last Friday, right? Or something like that.
Yes, last Friday was. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
So, I mean, that's spread out through a bunch of different places, but futures positions are all through COMEX or CME.
Oh, what is that?
I think CME owns COMEX.
So now we're looking at Fannie Mae. That wasn't a downtrend. It actually was forming a beautiful falling wedge. I know Laura and me discussed ideas on this way back for the breakout and breakout, dude. High point to low point at a 50% retrace and a 62% retrace. If you've been watching the stream long enough, you know where to take profit on falling wedges, and that's 50% and 618. 2 targets, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And since then, you've sold off. But look, the channel you broke out of, you're still back testing it like twice now. Very interesting, right? Very, very interesting. So see if you can stay outside of it long enough, and if you do, you got to break above $2.37, and then you could just be talking about some sort of range. But the problem is, it seems like people could argue, all right, this is the beginning, right? And you got like, sorry, music's like loud, dude. Dude, now I feel like I'm back in the Goonies cave or whatever. Hold on. No more Goonies. Okay, so something to think about. Maybe the range is, look, you ran up and you dumped to 212, and you're holding that for now, but there's another support here, or resistance, excuse me, at 237. So maybe like it's a lower risk area, and we could rally on up for a trade to 317, maybe, right? It does seem possible. Look, there's also another amount of support here at like 222. We're above it, holding it as support. So maybe Fannie Mae isn't just some sort of low risk area of a range. Something to think about, at least. Fannie Mae Connect, making a comeback. It's
what do they even do anymore? Do they
Dude,
still
I don't
give
know.
college loans?
I don't know.
That
dude.
was.
I don't know.
Who our college loans were for in my day.
I'll just say College Loan Connect and call it a day on Fannie Mae. Just looking at the technicals, man. Oh, BC. Next up.
Government sponsored enterprise. Let's see.
Okay, dude. So, like BCE. Funny enough, 1G Project spotted a descending broadening wedge of some sort.
A 5-year long one.
Oh yeah, dude. It's 3. It's only 3 years. It's only 3 years old. But like, anyway, it's cool because you see this bearish cipher. If one would have taken an entry at $60, they would, and they went the Casey Stubbs way. If you go the Casey Stubbs way, you can't take profit at 382. You have to take profit at like A and C, like, right? So profit would be like here and here. If someone was like going short, it would look like this, 786, and a stop loss right above X, and the only time you could take profit would be down here. Right, and so it'd be like 3.3 to 1 reward to risk, and you didn't get stopped out if one had it. This is just like we had on Bitcoin down at like 9,300, remember? Where it almost stopped out but didn't quite get there. Now it's making a lower high, and hey, maybe you do have a chance of continuing to sell off. You are making lower highs than your previous highs. It's very true, man. I'm just saying, dude.
Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are both the secondary markets for.
Could it make inverse head and shoulder?
Is
Sorry,
it?
bro.
Did it?
No problem.
Did it make one?
Could it make one?
Could it make an inverse head and shoulders? Well, we just had a run up, so normally you're not making an inverse head and shoulders, right? I think we're kind of in a rectangle right now, right? Where you've got some sort of support at 59. You know, we talked about that already, right? Where it's like your support 59 and then your resistance 63, right?
It would be a really good idea if you held a bunch of shares of it to sell covered calls, sell 65
Science bunnies.
calls.
Pointless question. If you had a crystal
collect the
ball and could
premium.
accurately see into the future of any one asset, what would it be?
Hold on,
I honestly think I would
Super
Because I'm
choose
telling you
BTC.
for 7 months.
$60.
crystal ball and accurately seeing the future. I don't know. I guess, yeah, Bitcoin will be a good one. Bitcoin would be one. Maybe Nvidia would be a cool one to see. Tesla would be a good one to see, even though some people would say it's going to zero. Tesla, just because of how weird it is.
Tesla and Ripplers are the same crew.
I don't know if I'd ever get into
The other stuff that Tesla
I wouldn't look at XRP.
does, Tesla by itself, oh. Like I'm all for
Yeah.
SpaceX and solar panel ConnectX and everything else, but the car thing and being a public company, it's like, thanks for publishing all your trademark secrets. I don't want you to hold on to those as an investor of yours. Great idea, company, but yeah.
Let's see here, man. Let me do some thinking here on this one. This is Baba. I haven't looked at this in a minute. Look at the big screen. This was a beautiful ascending broadening wedge. Oh my god. Double bottom, beautiful. Broke out, never hit the measure move. Insanely large pattern. Made a lower high than the previous high. Hit it from the high point to low point. Hit a 78% retrace before dumping. And you got to think about like 786, and if it was a harmonic 786, duh, PCZ area. Either way, it was a double bottom though. But you can still apply like XABCD to these areas. 786, 886. These are both reasonable areas where one could believe there might be price action versus the upside. There sure as heck was. The whole market. It wasn't even the whole market, was it? Here. Anyway, you're making lower highs again. I mean, is this an XABCD thing? I'm not sure.
No, I have it as a shark on your just
70% retrace. Too
July.
deep. Just too deep for a retrace.
From your swing low, the most recent swing low, running up.
Oh, okay. I think I see it. Yep. Maybe X. A
0
B,
XAB, and then a 50% running up to the 50% right now.
Hold on. Let me pull up my shark real quick. 113%. I think it's enough. It's a higher high, so I think it has to be a shark. 886.
Shark.
The thing is about the 886 though, I thought it was 113%.
Now between the 886 and 113.
Yeah.
That,
Okay, so it's a
that
zone,
dashed
right?
line going through.
Yeah. It's the zone, the PCZ zone. Well, it didn't make it there yet, but we know that this rally you're getting is not very strong, and it's just probably just going to hit a golden zone, 618 maybe, and then dump again to that area, right? And so, entry for a long maybe at 146 or 150, something like that. Just depends.
You didn't have it hitting. I had it at 887.
Well, you know, it could. Oh, okay. I got you, man. I got you. 886 is. So you're saying you went with the 886.
So I have it.
Where
It's
it reversed, but like, it could reverse and not really. I mean, I think a 50% retrace or B isn't B where profit taking levels are taken here, at the 164. I think I remember reading about it.
Bearish 5-0.
Oh, you're playing bearish 5-0.
So
okay, so you at the 50% retrace, you would take a short.
Take the shortest version, yes.
Okay, you take a short up here.
Closer to the 1618 from A to C.
I got a TTS.
86 retrace, and then the 113% retrace from
here we go.
X to B. So the shortest retraces of them all.
Spin for probes. Well, do we do $10 minimums on since chugs might be at hand, right? I'll have to spin for Science Buddies anyway. Thank you again, Science Buddies. Thank you, BCE Moonboy, for the 349. I guess we could probes. Are you will you accept a $3.49 spin?
Yeah.
All right, this is for you. This is for you though, dude. Okay.
All right.
Here we go, dude. Here we go.
Don't tell me the. Don't say.
I won't say anything. I'll poker face this.
Alright.
Okay. Good luck, dude. Ticker tone, delete it to the right. Save settings. I don't see it. Let me full screen this. I don't see ticker tone, dude. Ticker image. Ticker tone. Just delete it, right? Delete it and save. Gotcha,
Is this me?
man.
Gulp.
Yep, that's you, dude.
Bitch.
That's you. Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
He's drinking, man. He's gulping, dude. 11,849. We have less than a minute left. Sucks. Or less than 2 minutes. Sorry. Local on the 8s. Oh my god. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Cornholio. So your daily so far not looking hot, not looking good. You stay above 11,770 and you'll be all right. But for now, looks like you're just topping out, and you're gonna fall back inside the flag. Unfortunately, chat. Sorry.
Bruh.
So let's go ahead and pull up Pepe. Not the rare one. You know, not the rare one. The Pepe hands. Okay, man, there he is. I just can't believe it, man. I can't believe this is happening, man. But falling back into the flag, man. Anyway. What are y'all talking about? Yeah, dude. He's talking about Burst Coin, dude. Said no one
Who used
ever.
to come in? Yeah,
No one ever.
Somebody used to come in, always request Burst Coin.
Yeah, but
777 was their tip.
it's still there, dude. It's still there. His name was Travis. Old Travis, man. The one that happened to him, man. And what happened to KinConnect? KinCoin. Dude, tipped like $300 to get the KinCoin made for tipping $6.66. And you know what happened after KinCoin, right? They got wrecked.
Bruh.
This is
Yeah.
for a whiskey.
Luda the Finn, thanks for 1337. This is for a whiskey? Alright, dude. Good luck on your whiskey connects, dude. Alright.
Dude, well, as a bearish reversal for Bolkowski.
Alright, look at the spin. No more noise.
3-line strike is the second overall most
Rare and reliable pattern.
highest reliability.
You hear that, chat?
Frequency rate is
You just had a beep go off, didn't you?
yeah. I think I have an alert on something.
Thank you, Luta, again for the 1337. I'm sorry it was close, but no cigar. Close, but no chug. I guess we would say that instead of cigar, right? Having the chance.
Probes. I think it's AMD or BCE that going to the moon.
AMD went to the moon, man. It's there right now. Literally,
Yeah.
Lisa Bay Sue is on the moon.
It
Oh
got
my god,
upgraded
dude.
today.
Brad. Holy crap. Look what Brad did with the rarest Pepes chat. Oh my god.
Oh, we don't know.
Let me turn off sad Pepe. Rare Pepe. Wow, man. Beautiful Bradford. Round of applause for Bradford, dude.
Please clap.
Oh man, that's nice, dude. We're gonna make that into super cool stuff, man. We're supposed to be mooning. Alright, nerd. Sorry. So that's just not that easy, man.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing this whole time.
Thanks for having Kevin. Close but
Just
no
making me-
cigar. Nice. Nice, Drew.
We have the 1 hour MA support coming up to bump us up. We'll hold 11.8.
Okay. I'm gonna
So
chat for the
1
1
hour
hour moving
average.
average.
Dude, that was sweet. Can we make him smaller and put him up in the top corner or something instead of fireworks?
Of course we
Just for
could.
the night? Just
Yeah, let
lightning
me-
Pepe?
Let me
RGB Pepe?
Pepe works.
Dude, it is
I'm
RGB.
trying to make it
Pepe.
a animated emoji for, but I can't get
Do
it
it.
resized. Here.
Do it, man. We'll figure it out, dude.
RGB Pepe.
All right, I'm doing it right now. Hold on. RGB Pepe. That's the name of it too. Bradford, hopefully you name it that as well. Another
RGB.
RGB Pepe. Yeah, we have rare Pepe and we have RGB Pepe. There he is, chat. Hi, chat. You just gonna be up there, man. Rest of the stream, like, what's up, dudes? Hey.
Or
Oh my god,
Bezos
it's
sold
beautiful,
off
dude. It's beautiful.
$1 billion worth of Amazon on the first and second.
Oh yeah. That
And
was
we looked into, like, Zuckerberg literally sells $30 million for the shares all the time, and looked back and found out it's transferring it to, like, him and his wife's foundation trust. I was like, oh, she's just gonna wait 7 years and then half. But
I thought she was
he
getting
hasn't.
half his stuff anyway.
Yeah, well, they're giving away half their money. They're giving away 90% of their money.
Dude, someone
The
said
giving, the giving donation or the giving pledge.
3 bear strike is false flag for F's sake. Dude, do you realize how many people don't even know that thing even existed until today? Until it's in the title of my stream, man? Like, come on. Like, that, being able to identify a rare pattern like that is a good thing, right? So we just did it. And so just because we identified it, like, if I wasn't talking about it, it probably wasn't even going to be brought up, like, ever, okay? So, like, don't even talk about, oh, it's a false flag, dude. No, it's just a pattern that developed that's on the chart. Get over it, okay? Not a false flag. It's not Iran. Going to war with Iran. Okay, dude? Relax. Jeez. People so cynical about stuff. Doesn't even make sense. Ultra Sand Pepe. Julian, what's up, man?
Where's Lokang? I sent him a text.
Can't look on him, man. He's probably out doing adventures and stuff. You know how it is. Why was Pepe crying? Because we closed back below the flag, and when it was once a breakout is now sorry, Bueller. But look, you stay above 11,750, you'll be alright, man. Where was the rare Pepe when you were when we were in Austin and you were doing research? Research? Oh, I don't know, dude. It wasn't in existence yet. Bradford had to do things. Okay. Best Pepe though, dude. Right back at you, Victor, man. Measure moves are good, but a lot of times you don't get your measure move, and that's based on overwhelming amounts of resistance or support, whichever way you're looking at it. Okay, so don't like go all in on measure moves, even though they're great. Just remember, a lot of times we don't get there, even though you get a break at the upside. I mean, there are patterns sometimes, like I think the ascending triangle. You know, I think Bulkowski talks about them only getting to their measure move normally, like 70% of the measure move is like. Where a lot of times one could take profits, not the whole measure move, because most don't make it to the measure move. That makes sense? Anyone? Bueller? No puppets, man. No, not that. How about we be like, Bitcoin's Pepe, and so are Pepes. They're all Pepes. Okay, no need to be profane about it. We can be cool here.
Master of Puppets. Is that
Lars, yeah.
the real Lars hiding in chat?
Yeah, okay, this Pepe is the Las Vegas Pepe. That's what's going on, dude. Oh, this music's... I love it, dude. Digging it. Y'all missing out, dude.
Had you ever seen a pool party like that?
If I was at a pool party with this music on, dude, I'd be all in.
At Marquee, wasn't it?
Hard Rock. I've been there, and that was.
Were we at Marquee? Yeah. Was that the name of the club we were at? Because we were at the Cosmopolitan.
Yeah, that's the day club.
Yeah.
Dude, let's go, Chad.
Yeah,
this music.
Rehab back in the day at Hard Rock was insane. I don't know.
It's like Daytona Beach, man.
I think it's Aria, or I think the Cosmos, the Sunday one now.
What happened?
Sunday going off at the pool at the Cosmo.
Yeah, but the funny Seth was talking about it was like 33% reduction in the rates for the room that day, and he was like, so that just tells you something. And I guess it's like, you know, it's not like Saturday and Friday, of course, but it was still ended up being insane. It was still like a stupid amount of people were there on Sunday.
Well,
like
when they have, it's a big thing, like Sunday day drinking, someone hosting a pool party. It used to be Hard Rock did a thing called Rehab, and it's kind of moved around. They still do Rehab, but it's not.
Why do they call it Rehab, man? What are they getting rehabilitation from? Being sober?
Kappa?
Dude, it's sober.
No,
sobriety rehab, dude.
Yeah, it should be called. What's the first when you're really hungover and you just chug a beer just to try to get it away?
Oh yeah, someone was talking about that. Someone somewhere was talking about that on the trip, I think, in Vegas.
Man.
Someone was saying about drinking a beer, chugging a beer right after, or maybe I was reading it. I don't know, but I know what you're talking about. I'd say the universe is bringing it back to me. Yeah, dude, something about one beer in the morning, just so you don't get hungover, and then you can continue.
Hair the dog.
That's a name. Was it Hair the dog?
Yeah.
Hair the dog.
Hair of the dog.
Why is it called that? What's the genesis of that?
No.
Hair of the dog. Michael's saying.
Yeah, hair of the dog.
Can someone explain why it is called that?
I don't know. It's just like.
Think it'll work? Bradford?
I think it's like you think of like a witch's cauldron. They have like random ingredients.
I gotcha. Hair of the dog, and they throw it in. Hair of the dog, and
it's more like if a dog bites you, and you get the dog bite and it hurts. You have the dog bite you again, so it doesn't hurt as bad in the first.
Oh, is that like a major pain when he's like, oh, my leg, and then he's like, let me see your finger. My finger.
It's like it's all meant for when you're hungover, though. If you're hungover, you just get more wrecked.
You might feel a little pressure. Okay. Anyway, dude. All right, Bitcoin. So devastated, Chad. I know you've just become so depressed with Bitcoin showing a little red. But, hey, man. Don't write off the triple RSI, hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Don't write off the 3-line strike, one of the most rarest Pepe patterns on the planet. In the world. We just got it. It's not a false flag. I don't even know what that means, dude. It's not even real. Okay.
Fake tips, fake flags, fake divergence,
fake patterns, fake Pepes, dude, fake everything.
Patterns, fake hair of the dog.
Here we go.
That's when everyone agrees to do it, and you all go to take a shot, and then you just let the one idiot do it.
Here we go. Meaning that the best cure for what ails you is to have some more of what ails you. In ancient times, it was literally used to say that if a dog were to bite you, putting the dog's hair into the wound would remedy the pain. So that's what it really is. So it's not the major pain way.
Yeah.
I don't know. My theory seemed
packing hair from a rabid dog Can I get some rabies with that, Progotaurus? That might be quite a trip, man. I'm scared of water, dude. Get away from me. All right. So 11,881. Been live now for 1 hour and 6 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Holy crap. We're live, man. We're live on a Thursday night. And I can't even believe it, man. Thanks for the 544 people here. It's a speakeasy, chilled stream, 80s night. Comes but once a month.
Yeah, Crazy Kangaroo said something about the feeling of a nasty mouth after a heavy night of drinking. It's like a cat came and crapped in your mouth. He's talking like something about the dog, bunch of hair.
You want to see something disgusting?
In your mouth.
I saw it on Reddit. Micro. That's called like micro.
Eat saltine crackers and drink some water before you go to bed.
It's like microscope metal, something like nature is metal. Man, there was such a good picture of it that I saw. I don't want to be too gross here, but now you're not supposed to be able to tell it's a friggin' tongue. Let me see if I can find it. Just say Reddit.
Loot to the fin. 2 girls, 1 cup.
Not quite.
It's someone in chat.
Horrible.
I'm just responding to chat.
Chat Connect. Dude.
Right about the Binance hack. Yeah, the guy that blurred out his face, and even the blurred out version I saw, I'm like, facial recognition could easily be run on that.
Man, I can't find it. It's probably better that I don't show people so they don't get freaked out. Because it's like an average person's tongue after they wake up. And it shows what it looks like. And it's so disgusting. But again, you would never even know it's a tongue by looking at it. You'd have to get descriptions.
Crips into chat.
Crips in the chat.
What up, cuz?
What's up, Kenneth, dude? What's up, Ronnie? Jim Ron. Is that a joint? Nope. Not a joint right now. What's up, JC? Houdini? Why do you want an XRP to BTC analysis? Why are people obsessed with it? It's so trash, man. It's like the worst. Oh my god. We call it Forever Chinese. Good god. Oh yeah, dude. Who cares? Like, we had bullish divergence before. Yeah, it'll break the upside, make a lower high, and then dump again, dude. This thing is awful.
Price prediction in the next 20 years? 21 cents?
Yeah, dude, 32 cents, right?
I can tell you one. Yeah, 32 and a half. Hasn't hit it in 3 days, though. It's due.
All right, here we go. This is what it looks like. Here's your XRP to BTC, man. Been a downturn since Christmas Eve. Merry effing Christmas, Santa said, as he destroyed this asset. To this day. All right, it's a Merry Christmas bear trend. All right, so maybe by next Christmas, Santa will give us presents and we can ride the upside. But I don't know, man. Until then, where are we? There's no real support where we are. We're just literally in the middle of nowhere. There's a support at like 2241. There's a support down at 1193. But where we are literally right now is no man's land. Nothing, dude. At all. So
yeah,
dude, there's nothing here, like, really. So I don't know. Look, you had the great looking daily bullish divergence here. People were like, look at XRP to BTC, man, maybe there's divergence. There was. Look what it manifested into: a lower high, like a scrub, and then sold off again. Okay, so this is not bullish divergence. Now maybe this is. Look here, listen. But I don't care. It's just stupid bearish, man. It's like terrible. There's no demand for this asset right now. Low, lower low, low, slow. High, low, low strength. Okay, you got that on the RSI. That's it. No support until 22.29. All right. God, dude. Pepe. Sad Pepe, not Las Vegas Pepe. Awful. Oops. Anyway. What's up, Kiori, man? Good to see you. Thanks for watching. Hey, Crypto Bird Dog.
Peter Schiff is
battleships.
hilarious. I like him. Ooh.
Why are other people saying bull flag? I don't know, because, dude, as soon as this happened, I charted this. Does it not look like a flag to you of some sort? Kidding me, dude? Other people? I don't really care what other people say, dude. I don't go find other people. I'm self-reliant, so you can be self-reliant too if you invest in yourself enough, okay? Yeah, it was flagging. Also, 3-line strike. How many people are going to start talking about 3-line strike now since I brought it up earlier today, all right? This wouldn't even be talked about. Give me a break, man. Don't have anything to hear about other analysts,
Hey,
man.
Mitch, that's for all the TA. The TA are looking bullish, but what about the fundamental analysis? Any thoughts on that?
Fundamental analysis on Bitcoin right now? Well, yeah, I think it's probably pretty good. The fact that the market is, the stock market, really uncertain, global markets all over, right? Uncertain. China devalued their currency. Nearing the end of a 10-year long market cycle. Gold's killing it right now. Killing it. Bitcoin's little brother, a commodity that a lot of people are interpreting to be very close and similar to gold as a hedge against all that global uncertainty. So I think...
Are you deeming it officially liquid gold? You did call
liquid
it
gold Velveeta, man. Let's go, dude.
that. Liquid gold.
It's liquid gold. Yeah. It's, yes, it's liquid gold, virtual gold, whatever you want to call it, man. Velveeta Cheese Connect. There are 3 types of gold, I guess now, right? With Velveeta being one. So, I think
Velveeta.
you know, when all those same people that you're talking about were saying no matter what's going to happen, like it's a certainty we're going down to lower prices here that are calling the flag now, okay? When it's like, no, new developments, bullish divergence in the RSI, first time since February this year. All right, okay, just give me a break with that crap, dude. I don't want to hear it. All right, so we draw our own conclusions here. So
Whatever the 10-year bond yield hit, you know, whatever 5-year lows, and on that, right as that hit, that was like the 8 a.m. pump that happened
oh my god,
not
dude.
too long ago. It's people are looking for. I mean, this is why this was developed back in frightening times. 2009 was insane. So,
I'm talking about insane, dude.
but we created now banks too big to fail.
You want to talk about the 20-year? Even it's just as bad. Look, man, for this 20-year, all-time lows. Much thought it might be an ice line springing to the upside off the ice line and just destroyed. I mean, obliterated. Good God.
What's the 20-year at? The yield at right now? I can't.
I
wait
mean,
for
this
your
one's
chart.
1926 here.
'Cause that's
like
what TLT goes off
This
of.
is TBF here. Oh, Sweetenberg God, dude. This is really the channel you're in. You hit the bottom and just bounced. Ugly. Super, super ugly, dude.
They had the yield bond auction today.
Oh, yeah?
Well, yeah, they have to, prior to lowering rates. They have to do it.
Lowering rates. Yeah, 'cause
Yeah,
no one wants to buy it, right? No one's buying it. I mean,
What do you mean? The bond market's trading like crazy.
well, I mean,
That's
like, trading
Why
wise.
the yields are going down and people are cashing in because they're originally were getting a 3% yield. Now it's down to 1.7.
Yeah,
2%.
Was 2,
They
and now it's
cashed it on
1.7,
that
right?
1.18%. Yeah, that's how long. But you're talking about countries trading in that.
Yeah. Yep.
It's large.
People are
volume.
buying people are buying German bonds. People are buying the negative, right?
Yeah, it's looking for safe havens of money.
Yeah.
You know,
Stupid, man.
You have a restriction. It was 10,000. Now I'm understanding it's 50, but I don't know.
Did you say what was the one you were looking? Oops! Oh my God! Please don't do this to me. Oh my God. Okay, good. Sorry, I clicked the button. What was it? TBY? TBF? The one you were looking at?
Thanks for the stream, Rue. Have a
20-year
good one.
treasury yield, like the return.
Luta, thank you for the 1337, man.
Bruh.
Do one spin before you go, man. He's saying have a good night, meaning he's getting out of here. I thought you said you had all night. Now you're saying good night. Get wrecked, dude. Kappa. Thanks, man. We'll spin one more time. Spin to win. No more clicky clicks. Perfect. Maybe we should do a Leroy Jenkins. Oh, no. Okay, thank God. All right, 1 gold from me. Did it get so close when you can see it start the chug rolling around? Super scary. What was the Tigger again you said?
Are you talking about the 20-year treasury bond?
Or whatever you were looking at.
Well,
I mean, I'm looking at TBF, right?
TLT is basically they hold a bunch of 20-year treasury bonds. It's an insanely bullish chart right now.
Oh, it's like the
Because they're-
opposite of the one I'm looking at, kind of.
Yes,
Okay, I see.
TLT is a lot more liquid than in
Gotcha.
the options world, so it's a lot more traded. There's
Dude,
ones
you
on
wanna talk
like
about-
the 7 to 10 year, 1 to 3 year.
You can talk about a real spring right here. Look at this. Look at this false breakout you had. There were like a couple supports, right? Look at that. The fall of the price action was too weak, and you had extreme amounts of divergence on the 4 hour. I wonder if you had it on the daily.
It's got a nasty reversal candle right now. I think I'm waiting for your chart to come up.
Yeah, on the daily, yeah, it's weird. But dude, all it's doing is back testing an old resistance as support, and had a big bounce today from 138.61 all the way up to 140.33. Look at the bounce. That's a great back test.
Yeah, that was.
It's a weird
on,
candle. I don't know really if that's an actual bearish reversal candle. It's just weird, dude. Right?
That was Larley's, that Real Vision thing.
Yeah.
So I ended up buying a subscription to that. That was one of the
Uh-oh.
earlier videos that I took
Bruh.
a trade off of.
Thought you were
Luta.
ending. Let's do this.
Said take a straddle on options because it was so range bound.
Sorry. Oh my God. Luta, what have you done? Sorry, interrupting Alexia Connect. Wow. All right, we'll spin more. We'll spin again. He thought I was ending the stream. All right, I'm spinning, Luta. Okay, man. Oh my God. No. Social. Everyone partakes in it.
Cheers.
All right, Luta, let's go, man. We've never had this many Neos in the jar ever. This is an all-time high. Let it be decreed. All-time high on Neos in the jar. Wow.
Look at the volume too. Increasing.
Yeah. Volume on the... Yeah, tons of selling on that day.
Yeah.
But, I mean, what does that mean, though? Where is it? Like, where are we? If we're talking about Wyckoff,
The yield,
we're near
the
the
yield
top.
popped off. The yield pumped up very high. A
Here's-
lot of people
Bruh.
made a lot of money off that. Took profit on it.
Dude, the Irakanji jellyfish just tipped 12-12. He just went Super Saiyan, man. Let's go, Irakanjis. Dude, if we have Super Saiyan Irakanjis, yeah, that should be like a horror movie. Okay, that's super scary. We gotta do a spin for the Irakanji real quick, man. Zcash in the jar, if you didn't know. Oh, no, dude. No. F so much, dude. Dude, what? Oh, my God.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Uh-oh, indeed.
Is there any kind of bearish
Oh my God, dude.
butterfly kind of that it could if it ran up to the 1618?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Not a butterfly. Can't be. It looks like it looked like it was going to be a cyber. That means it could be a shark, right? If it's a lower low, could be a shark. That means 113% or an
Yeah,
86.
right. Yeah.
So X A. Oops. B.
Lower
C.
low, higher high can only be a cipher or a shark.
Yeah,
Shark.
and it's all about that B too. So it was like
Sharks with
38%, 44% retrace. So it's gonna pop up soon on your screen. That's the max, I think. You want to go? Oh boy, Irakanji jellyfish just wrecked my soul. All right, we'll do it again, Irakanji.
Hi.
Hey. Oh my god, dude, it was so close to again. All right, you drink now, Irakanji. You drink, man. Oh my god. Don't be a leftist. What? I'm left-handed. There's nothing I can do about that. Kappa.
You got August 18th puts on TLT.
114 would be the. Oh my god, Irakanji just wrecked my soul, man. Oh my god. And it's like Luta was like, oh god, thank God Drink Troll's not here on these nights. It's so scary, right? Like when that happens.
I'm sure we can send a text and have him make a.
Dude, he won't come in. Dude, he is.
guest appearance.
You can.
Dude, I can. Yeah. Be like, dude, we need to talk about this invitation to Ryan Leaf's first movie production ever.
Dude, I'm not taking I can't take like mega shots. I'm gonna take this is like a shot. This is plenty of oh my god, it's loud, sorry. Okay, whatever, man. I don't have any beer to chug, okay? So I'm chasing this with coffee, man. Well, Irwin coffee. And this is like the last sip of the Irwin coffee. Good God, man. It's like, hey, you want to make Mitch vomit twice?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, inside joke. Only Bradford gets that, I think, here.
Oh, what? Is this a Vegas reference?
Yeah. Oh, man. Dude, I don't know if I dig this song. Get it out of here. Oh, man. Dude, hold on. Let me change this. Starting to get the womp womps. Okay, man. Womp womp womp. Dude, I gotta play the same song from earlier. It's so good. It was so freaking good, man. Alright, man. It's a little bit of Hans and Franz radio, man. But we're in the 80s. We're taking intermission to be Hans and Franz. Hans and Franz is with us every night, man. No matter what happens, man. Do you hear the bear shark on the TLT? No kappas? We had an alert here. I don't know if we get there because they overwhelm resistance.
Yeah.
We're sitting on that rooftop bar in Austin, Texas right now, man. Eating the brisket, man. Dude, that's a weekly pattern, though. So good, man. Let's go.
It was so range bound for a while, so he's basically like, I don't know. They're either gonna. I think this was back in March when they had no clue what the Fed, or February, no clue what the Fed would do. They're gonna keep raising, or they're gonna look.
Why is
So
every
just
night? Sorry, my bad. I don't know, man. It's technicals. Like, you think you could ride up? Oh, God, Lutza coming in again.
Bruh.
Please spin a chug. Okay.
Please spin a chug.
I'll do my best, man. 2 have already been hit tonight. That's crazy.
While you're in Vegas, no, that wouldn't make sense because the night before you left, you hit 3 times and you had to
Spin that wheel.
You're like, I give up.
Oh, my God, dude.
I'll chug one in Vegas.
Anonymous, thanks for the 1337. Lutza, thank you, man. All right, here we go. Spin it again. Yeah, dude, I know I had to because I had to fly out. But little did I know that everyone drinks social. Little did I know that I was going to be in the airport. I was going to be in a traveling conundrum and dilemma from 11:30 a.m. to.
Were you stuck in Atlanta?
I was stuck in Birmingham. I had no idea where I was going.
God.
They switched my flight around like 4 times. They canceled on me. It was so bad, dude.
Talk to the people at the airport and be like,
Nope.
if someone calls in and asks for the lights to be turned on after 9 p.m., can you please do it? Especially when they're trying to bribe you.
Oh, dude, they weren't going to do anything for me. I don't care. It was terrible. It was just the worst traveling experience I've ever had in my life. I'll never use American Airlines again. If you're in here and you're listening and you get one thing out of the stream tonight that doesn't have anything to do with crypto or technical analysis, don't use American Airlines.
What am I flying?
They
I'm
are
flying from
trash.
LA.
They are trash. Okay?
I'm flying direct.
That's happened to me twice as well. It sucks.
What is it?
So that's happened to me twice as well with American.
Yeah, they will cancel your flight multiple times. They'll cancel it the day you're supposed to fly out, early in the morning. Like
I'm on American there and back.
Dude, you getting wrecked, dude.
To Vegas, but there's a flight leaving every hour.
Yeah, it's different between Birmingham, different LA, right? I mean, that's way different.
Well, now it's Delta or United and Spirit. You have to pay. Remlog's paying $60 to take a carry-on. I was like, what? That's ridiculous.
Hey, do y'all know what Drew's talking about in live chat? What are your thoughts on Peter Schiff and Kevin O'Effery being
Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank is very bearish on Bitcoin. Sees no value in it. I don't know.
Of course, I mean, like how? Like, how do you not see value in a revolutionary asset that is doing something that nothing's ever done that's existed on this planet? Nothing. Nothing is as secure as Bitcoin right now. Nothing is as decentralized together. It has the most confirmations of transactions of any asset on the planet, or like any crypto for that matter. And you got to think about how low the market cap is. $300 billion, 70+% of the market cap is Bitcoin. So $200 billion Bitcoin. Oh yeah, let's think about it, dude. Yeah, how can you be bearish on it when many polls have been done on millennials? And millennials, if they're going to put their money in a safe haven, whether it's gold or Bitcoin, the high majority of the people being polled, multiple polls, are choosing Bitcoin. And then you go into the same stat I've talked about before, where the boomers, baby boomers, will die in the next 10 to 15 years. Millennials will inherit $28 trillion plus. That is like the size of the market cap of the entire stock market, dude. Are you kidding me?
Hi, Mitch. I sent some screenshots to your Gmail from your Vegas stream. Thanks for bringing us along on your vacations.
I don't think
Lots of fun for all
I
of
wish
us.
I would have.
I don't think he's thinking about those stats. Yes, please, Irakanji.
You want me to sting American Airlines?
Yes.
Say no more.
Dude, thanks for the 1212. He wants to sting the. Oh, here we go. Thanks, Burgalinas. Oh, what is this? Dude, what is this? Burgalinas, man. Nice. That's like that's crazy, dude. That's like a Are You Afraid of the Dark episode or something, man. Oh my god. Here's Bradford and me. Bradford, man, let's go. Oh god.
It's my B-Day week. Lucky Chuck right here.
Dude, Mr. Peabody, what day is your birthday, man? 1, 2, 3, 4. My Austin brother, man. Thank you, dude, for the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I owe 2 spins. Give me a sec. All right, spinning real quick. This one's for your kanji.
Oh wow, great pick, man.
Social. And here's one more for Mr. Peabody.
Nice.
Social again. Social that never drinks. Sweet. Dude, did anyone not love the F out of that song? Like, I love that. Like, I love it. Anyway, man, sorry. Thanks to the 500 plus people still here, hanging out, just chilling on Thursday night, spinning the wheel, being silly, being goofy, flagging maybe. Hey, absorption maybe. Vegas Pepe, kind of happy over there. Oh my god, man. So what were you saying, Jeff? What were you gonna say?
I think that, well, remember I said before we found out there was a little one, I was like, hey, come with. I haven't been in many years. I want to go to the Berkshire shareholder meeting. Come with and check it out. I'm allowed to bring up a guest. So now they've upped it to you can have 4 total.
4 guests?
No, 4 total people attending. Okay. So including myself.
What is this about?
Berkshire Hathaway annual shareholders.
Oh wow.
So we'll go live streaming and ask Warren and Charlie Munger about Bitcoin. Charlie hates it, but Warren's like, I just don't know anything about it. He's like, I'm stuck within the field I know. He's like, I
Have
don't
a chat
know
for Charlie.
anything. Charlie Munger's, he's 95 and Warren's 88.
Dude.
Larley and I were talking about what's going to go on. It's being run by like 2 40-year-olds right now they're holding on to a F load of cash right now.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, there's,
Dude, I mean, like, if anyone here isn't like positioning themselves with a lot of cash right now in anticipation, and this could take a long time, this could take a while, man, but we're 10 and a half years into a bullish market cycle that will come to an end at some point. One needs to be prepared for that, not financial advice or anything, but like one needs to have a lot of liquidity available or at hand for when these moves do happen to the downside. Life-changing opportunities come out of crazy crashes and recessions, depressions, all that. And so, again, since 1929, average market cycle is 6 years. So, whatever,
yeah,
man.
what is it? You have a depression. It's what a decade, then you have a 20-year break, and then
I mean, a depression? God, I don't know. Have we ever? When's the last time we had a
a
real
major market crash?
I mean,
So we had
global financial crisis? 1.7 years.
2001, 2009. So that's 2 and 10 years, and then you have 30 years between it, something like that.
They don't last near as long as the bullish market cycles. Yeah, that's correct. But they still blow off a lot of, what the price was and cut it in half or more, right? We can go to the S&P, I guess, and look at the monthly or weekly. Yeah, but let's go to the monthly.
Yeah, we'll say you had 20s.
The log scale here. Oh, Luda, let's go, man.
Bruh.
True advice. Very true.
Hey, big if true, Luta, true if big.
Bruh.
All right, here's a spin, man. Thank you for the 1337, the Neo in the jar. This is, again, all-time highs on Neos ever being in this jar, okay? And someone's asking about more vaporwave, synthwave. Are you not entertained by this music, man? Halfway to 70? Oh my God, Adam, dude, get wrecked. We'll be there with you, though, man. How about that? Is that fair?
Mitch, have you ever read Reminiscences of a Stock Operator?
I have not. I saw you mention it, and I was thinking about getting it.
Read that. It's
Saturday is Adam's birthday.
Probably what's considered possibly the greatest trader of all time. Traded through early 1900s through the Great Depression, killed it. Just could not stick to his rules, stick to money management. Went broke so many times, and it's like it hurts you to sometimes start reading it to the point where it's great for that type of psychology, Mark Douglas is great for. It's like a good contrast book to it, right?
Interesting.
And it does the opposite as far as it's like I don't ever want to go through that chase because the chases are
dude, it's too emotional.
Followed by that hangover.
Oh yeah, dude.
And I kind of talk, you get kind of the idea if you're actually really worried about the amount of money you have in a trade, you have too much money in the trade.
Yeah, certainly. I completely agree. But I should, am I weird for liking getting physical books?
No,
instead of tablets. I'm like just I don't know. Like I could easily get a tablet. I mean, I have a couple books on tablet, but I like the hard copies.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Because I'm a really virtual guy. I'm like, I read I have one Game of Thrones, the first one I have, but the other Game of Thrones, they got them all on the Nook, right? I didn't get the physical copies. I read them.
I take it in so much better reading a physical copy rather than audio version, reading it on a Nook, even, anything, even with that, the original Amazon e-reader, the perfect background screen. It's just that physical book copy, and
Aaron, you mean
toilet reader? So
Aaron M, you mean you're layering into Neo at 175, not 135. That was the meme. That was what that person, that FOMO girl, was talking about. 175. When Neo was at 195, she was saying, "I'm gonna layer into Neo at 175. This is a good area." Same girl that's talking about Verge having good hearts. Oh my god! I wonder what that person's doing right now. I wonder where they're out there somewhere. It's like, I'm gonna look up at the moon. I'm looking up at the moon and I see that girl that talked about Verge having good hearts. She's maybe looking up at the moon at the same time. We're looking at the moon, and we're connecting. Okay, dude, that's
Ian Namini or whatever. Just the moon streamers. The guy that got hacked for $1 million while live streaming.
What?
He was live streaming.
Who is this?
He's an African guy, Yamini, something like that.
All right.
This is back right before tax day 2018, and so everyone's like, that doesn't make that sounds awfully shady. But he got hacked from his MyEther wallet for over $1 million while live streaming because he had all his passwords in his email account and had his email account linked up to his some payment service. Someone got a hold of the email.
Something wrong?
Something wrong.
That sucks, dude.
And then he got the feds to track it down. Ian Bellini, I think his name was. But I was like, how did we said that? And I'm like, are they actually looking into this case? And he's like, he hired a private investigator that's a former FBI agent. I was like, I didn't think they'd really give two craps about it.
Jace, I'm just gonna call you Jace, not JC. Jace, sure, man. Why not? Thanks for Dishcom. We're looking at right now. If you're not noticed what I'm looking at the monthly, and I'm looking at the S&P 500, and I'm looking at this extreme amounts of weakness on the oscillators. Like where if you look at it, it's like a high, a higher high, bearish divergence. The bearish divergence played out, and then what happened on the weekly? Chat. Someone tell me the name of this single, well, it's really a double, it's like 2 candle pattern.
I can't. I gotta wait 30 seconds.
You do have to wait. You're screwed, dude.
Yeah, gotta wait.
It is unfortunate when you're on live chat or on the audio with me. It is a trade-off, I guess. Unfortunately, you probably won't win. I mean, maybe you will. I'll be disappointed as if you do win, right? Because 30-second head start for chat. All right, what is this pattern called? My God. It's a weekly pattern too, man. Come on. It's so strong as a weekly.
I'm still not there.
Why is it every time I click on something in live chat, like it highlights an actual letter? Can someone, I want to fix that where it doesn't do that. What's happening?
It's like a doji hanging man?
No, that is incorrect.
Oh, that pattern.
Dude, is chat broken?
Today,
How is that a Gartley? How is this a Gartley?
Bullish RMB?
Oh my God, no. Why would that be a Harambe?
Whoops.
2 cattle.
How could it be a tweezer bottom?
Why is my frozen? I'm still on the monthly.
This is
Are we looking at
this
the
is the monthly, not the weekly. Sorry, this is the monthly. Jeez, it's even more insane then. Dude, it's a Japanese candlestick pattern. It's a 2 Japanese candlestick pattern. It can't be a head and shoulder. It can't be a harmonic. It can't be a Harambe because it's not completely within the previous candle. That is a Harambe. There we go, MK. Hype in the chat for MK. I'm Leroy Jenkins for him. Sorry, dude, it's over. MK1. MK effing 1. Okay. I also would have accepted triple bazinga. Sorry, Young Love, you were too late though. Cap up. That is a piercing line reversal pattern. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Freaking
Yeah.
beautiful.
What
And
is the percentage? 50% or more of the candle, or 70%?
it's weird because some people say 50%, then Bulkowski's sometimes talking about 65% for the strongest reliability of the pattern. It's 65% piercing, and this was one of those 65+% of the way through the previous candle, pierced it. And just look at the rally, continued on up. After that close 270, it got as high as 303. So beautiful reversal, but I'm sorry on the recovery, very weak. But I'll tell you this right now. I'll tell you this. After all the craziness that happened, you're still above a critical area, even though you've fallen below 294. It's really that
Man, look at
that 293, 294 area.
See how it ends up finishing.
Yeah.
Pretty strong pushback.
Very strong pushback. I mean, I think there's that on the daily. I have it. Let me get rid of this real quick. What's going on? What's happening? Hold on. Dude, I'm losing it. There we go. Got a log scale. All right, yeah, it's a great bounce on the S&P. Like double bottomed or whatever. And big rally filled gaps. This is a 50% retrace. Look where it is there. Look at the S&P 500 closed. This resistance from September of 2018. As it closed below it today. So it'll be very interesting tomorrow to see what kind of follow through price action we get on the new little wave we got going. Dude, chat died, man. Straight died. Holy crap. That's okay.
There's a lot of interesting candle patterns. God, like that you don't see in crypto. That the island top reversal, abandoned baby.
Yeah.
So many different things that are just like a real piercing line, or dark cloud cover is candle body starting above it.
Yeah, opens. Yeah, the candle opens or closes below, or opens below or above the previous candle, which you don't get in crypto because they all. I mean, sometimes you actually do. Oddly enough, you do. Like sometimes it's weird. It's like
sometimes because the hour changeover, a trade happens right in that time.
Yeah, I'll see it where it will sometimes be weird and be slightly above on the 4 hour and stuff. Brooklino's, what's up, dude?
Logan and Brian with you in the other
Brian.
Bullish kickers, bearish kickers,
Thanks
which
for
are
taking us
basically
on your
price
vacations.
opening above.
Lots of fun for all.
At the previous day's close.
This was
Made wick down, but never.
This was Brad. Sorry, Brooklyn is just TTS'd. This was Kang Logan, and Bradford. Brian will be at the next Vegas meetup in just we'll just talk about sometime this month. Okay, so you'll see him, get pictures together, all that. But no, that was Kang Logan, dude. Let me see what else you said. Music, dude. Dude, how was music, man? 11,914.
Mitch's stream ends.
Yeah, it's me in the back. Or Brad.
Spin those wild, crazy guys. Spin those wild and crazy guys. What does that mean?
Logan's
Spin them.
beard game is strong right now. I like it.
Yeah, he's growing a beard, man.
Are you coming baby faced?
Oh yeah, I'm coming super big face. I'm shaving dude, I shaved for the first time in well over a year with an actual razor today. So weird. It feels like so nice and smooth.
Oh, I shaved with the razor.
But I do look like I'm 12 years old, and that's okay. I get ID'd so hard now. I love it, man. I'm like, they're like serious too. They're like, hey, I need that. I'm like, you see? Like, all right, cool. So lots of fun for all Brooklynos. Yeah, man. Says thanks for taking us on your vacations, man. I mean, dude, why would I not, dude? Like, I've y'all to thank for the ability to do that, and so grateful. It's like a pleasure to be able to do that, man. I feel like I owe it to y'all.
thanks for taking us on your vacation.
Taking us?
As in, Logan.
Oh, yeah. Well, dude, I mean, come on. How about we just, let's really get to the point. Let's thank Seth. I mean, come on, dude.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man. I got super special guy. Like, it's like another world, dude. It's like another league of life. I guess you could say, right? That guy. He's super genuine, though. Friggin' love him, man.
Definitely.
Rare Pepe hype. What's up, Brett, dude? Yeah, dude. Tons of Rare Pepe hypes up in here, man. Up in here. So, yeah, dude. The Rare Pepe is the 3-line strike. Wait till tomorrow. Till people are like, oh my god, 3-line strike? Oh, yeah, totally, dude. Like, yeah, dude. Roll Tide, Chop and Brock. Yeah, dude. Chop, man, thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Really do appreciate that.
Bruh.
For you. All of the stuff's been screwed up. Streamlabs has been terrible lately. And that's like, I'm dependent on them for the Patreon chimes, the crypto chimes. All that is stupid, man. As a retrace, it's okay, man. I'm gonna try to get Chalen to do a highlight video. I gotta download it from YouTube and send it to him and see if he can get me some sort of highlight made.
Might have to kind of look out for certain songs on there and like mute the ones that might be.
Well, no, the thing is, you can have like, you can turn, like, if you're editing a video, you can turn down audio and like turn up. You can have other music behind it to muffle it. The algos can't find it and stuff. You can, all kinds of stuff you can do. There's a lot of stuff that's like, you know, remember I gave the tour of the bungalow suite? Like, that's really what I want. Like, you know.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I did a whole tour. I went down, made it all the way down to the front door and got to the air conditioning. I was like, look, chat, there's this crazy thing. Well, I went to the microwave. They actually have a thing that warms up food. It's incredible. It's a new innovation. And then I went to the air thermostat and did the same thing. I'm like, dude, look, it's 70 right now. How about we do this, man? And I turned it down to 69, man. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, did all kinds of crazy stuff, man. But y'all were up there doing your thing, man, enjoying it, getting destroyed by that sun. Oh my god. The triple bazinga gets them every time. I know, dude. Mike Filippelli. Is that it, Mike Filippelli, man? Yeah, dude, the 3-line strike. Of course we can look at it. We looked at it earlier. We'll look at it again. Sure, man. Filippelli. I've been that you heard. Okay, dude. 3-line strike. Sorry, I'm getting a little dry throat. A 3-line strike is simply, it's a 4 Japanese candlestick pattern where you have 3, and it's in a downtrend and move down, and it's 3 consecutive lower low candles, red candles, and then on the 4th candle, you have a bullish engulfing candle. There's something special, something rarish Pepe-ish about this candle. It's not just a bullish engulfing candle. The first candle, it's of all 3 candles. Excuse me. Dry throat, man. It engulfs all 3 candles and closes above it. And that is the reversal pattern, the bearish 3-line strike. And it is one of the most rare patterns that exist on the freaking planet. And it also has it has some of the highest reliability that exists on the planet for any Japanese candlestick pattern. So get wrecked, dude.
Bruh.
That's what it is. Bearish 3-line strike is what it's called. Kangs. We are Kangs. Now, Mr. Van Perlet, does that suffice? Oh boy, man. Sorry. I had to cough. Cough connects. What's up, Josh? Holy man. Am I dying? Kind of. It's like I ate some tiramisu and it got stuck in my throat, man. Get wrecked. What's up, Kanatomo?
you're getting bad tiramisu in Birmingham.
Dude,
Oh, yeah.
Delicious here.
everything in Birmingham's like meh. Going out to Austin.
Nice sneeze face, man.
Yeah, well, it's a cough face. So, Felipe. There we go, Mike. De Felipe. There we go. Sorry, dude, and sorry for everyone. I keep saying it. De Felipe.
Did you guys do any nice restaurants when you're out there?
Yeah, I called the hotel room.
Yeah, dude, we did not really go out. I mean, we did, but dude, it's so hard to get away from that place because it's so nice. It's like, why do you want to be away from it? Like, dude, you go to casinos. There was an incredible casino downstairs with beautiful architecture. Oh my God, and I know it's all like from Broken Dreams, but like something I got real big note out of in Vegas was the time and dedication and effort put into like every aesthetic everywhere.
The Bellagio and show some of it.
We can go in the Bellagio.
Cosmos.
We were
Yeah.
like, yeah, dude, because like we're
But they have I forget what the guy's name is, but it's all color blown glass through the entire entrance above, and then there's got a $500 million art collection sitting out there. There's just a bunch of different places. The Venetian
Mitch saw
has,
Mitch saw the Venetian.
Yeah, that was cool, man.
Venetian has
inside,
so
outside.
Palazzo's is just the extra building of the Venetian. So
And then they had the little boats. What are they called again?
gondolas.
Gondolas. Yeah,
You
yeah.
can
So,
find yourself a little lady and take a gondola ride.
there you go, Zane. Exactly, Zane Daniel. Perfect. Crazy, man. The Aria, yeah. Did we stay? No, we stayed at the Cosmopolitan, Carmelo, the bungalow suite number 8. Okay, that's what it was. And I will get that video to Chalin so we can make a highlight video of Vegas. And we're definitely going to make a highlight video of Vegas Part 2. That's going to be real fun. And what I want is everyone that's there to do do videos and stuff. And so what'll happen is we'll get like this group, you know, the people in the Vegas Discord or whatever, and then we'll like post all the videos, and then I'll pay Chalin to like make a highlight, like a combined highlight video of all the different clips that everyone at the Vegas meetup, creates footage of, right? And I think that'll be really cool. Brad, what do you think?
Get a hold of security footage.
That'll be awesome.
Yeah, we'll get some security cameras and stuff. Make sure they get tested.
Scrubs.
What?
For giving you a 10. Hitting
Yeah,
on a
just
12. Scrub. Take that back.
What are you talking about? Are you talking about blackjack?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah, dude.
It's just Joe Pesci in Casino, and
Oh yeah.
take this one and shove it.
Yeah,
Just
dude.
keep throwing the 10s back at the dealer.
Kind of making me want to watch Casino
Scrub.
again, dude. Man. What is the expectation? There's no expectation ever, Carmelo. There's never an expectation one should have, ever. No matter how bullish, how wonderful everything looks, no expectations. Because when you have expectations and it doesn't go your way,
Dale,
you become...
Dale Shirley.
There,
Thank you.
there is a negative response emotionally to things not playing out the way you expected them to. So therefore, it might cloud your judgment. It might make you next time second guess the same bullish pattern that you had learned was bullish, right? Where you were supposed to take an opportunity, right? So you can't be emotional. You can't expect things. But I hear what you're saying, Carmelo. At the same time, after a rare occurrence like this, a bearish 3-line strike, one would expect a bearish reversal to the upside, higher prices. That is what the pattern would signify. Though we know nothing's certain on these markets, and it could go either way. Does that make sense, man? Does that help? This is a psychology of a trader stuff. This is the way one should think, according to geniuses, not me. Okay. I mean, according to me too, but like, I'm cool with the geniuses. What's up, Chad? Josh Hurley, man. Oh, yeah, his name's Chad, man. He gets all the bibs, dude. Or whatever. I don't know. Dude, we've been live for an hour and 56 minutes. Spam that like button, that bell, that sub. With all the Neo connects in the jar, it's an all-time high. Oh, yeah.
What's,
happened?
What gets a Neo Connect in the jar?
Neo Connect 1337.
Oh,
Like Elite, and it's
what's 1058? The Moneros.
it's just Moneros. Yeah, that's all the ones at the bottom.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy, man? Yeah, dude. Freaking Luta the Finn wrecked you. I think there's more Neos than Moneros. It's close, right? It is close. It seems like we're back testing the old resistance line. It's now resistance again, right? As you can see, 3 hours left, but there you go, man. Back tested it, and now you're selling off some. Lowest low of the 4 hour candle right now. Here it goes. Pulling back 11.8, 2, 3. So not much for didn't really do much, did it? 3-line strike. No follow through price action, which it happens, and that's why there's no expectations.
But it is said to be at the bottom of a downtrend that it was tested. So,
What is this?
according to Bolkowski, he tested during downtrends.
Oh, the 3-line strike.
3-line strike.
Gotcha.
Yes. So it's a bearish reversal pattern.
I mean, this right here looks to me, think about it. If you like flip the chart over, it looks like you're developing like a bear flag, doesn't it? I mean, just so bearish. You double topped, Adam and Eve double top, and now you're at the bottom of the channel, and you're like really flirting. I mean, it might break the upside, but it's probably just going to turn into a lower high eventually than these highs, and then just dump again. All right, really gross that. It's at 0 kilobytes per second. Now it's good. It's back. It's so stupid how it throttles me like that. But you get it, man. You get it. It's such a bearish trend. You've been getting destroyed. What's up, Ryan Martin?
Bruh.
Thanks for the $2 super chat, man. He says spin it to win it. Well, normally we do.
It says, stream off.
Yeah, it's okay. It's coming back. It'll be back, man. We're back, chat. All right. So what I'm gonna do? It's been 2 hours. Probably just gonna get out of here, man. It's been a long stream. Streamed, did my thing, man. 2 hour day stream, 2 hour night stream. Hype in the chat. First, a good Thursday in the books. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get off Discord first. What happened?
Hang on 1 second.
Oh, we have new emojis. We actually. Oh, Enola Gay. Are you kidding me? Hype in the chat. Let's go. Enola Gay. The Nias are your.
Enola Gay tipped $100. Heads up down
Excellent.
below.
The E-probes, man.
Videos are my Hiroshima.
Boom. Saving getting sacked. All right, we're going to do a wheel spin. If this isn't a chug, it's an injustice to humanity, right?
Oh, wow. It did nothing.
They didn't break him out. So, like, the only ones that have weight reduction are, like, the bats and the XRPs because they're, like, the $2 to $5.
Yeah.
And then I think even the Ethereum Classic is also weak, and that's $6 to $8, $6 to $8.99, and then anything, well, maybe $6 to $7.99, and then Monero starts at, like, $8 and goes all the way to, like, $14.99. And then after that, it's, like, Irwin Coffee. I think that's the... But, like, again, the only... because like, it makes sense, right? Like the ones that should be getting knocked out of the jar are the smaller ones. If a big one comes in, like that one's weighed, like the Bitcoin ball that just fell in, like it is weighing like hundreds of pounds, whereas the other ones don't weigh much, but they don't have weight reduction on, like BAT and XRP. It's weird. Now I can change that. I can make it like Streamlabs, but like if they're 1337 tips, they should probably stay in the jar, right? I mean, because that like goes towards like filling, getting the hat on and stuff like that.
Bruh.
Yeah.
But
Agreed.
man, it's sort of the heavy cup tonight. I have in the chat. Let's do the spin real quick to win. Okay. Here we go, man. Here we go. Back up to 11,868. Oh, it's a gulp for me.
You're free to hop off.
Mm-hmm.
It was just going through us.
Harmonics are extremely reliable. In traditional markets, there's sometimes I think
Crazy
the
kangaroo.
like 70% reliability.
Would it be
Some
illegal
stupid-
to organize a huge pump? No, there's pump and dump groups all the time, but
Dude, what do you? I mean, like,
like getting enough money to pump and
yeah,
dump.
yeah, something more liquid. Yeah, exactly. Has to be a liquid as F. And normally, unless you're starting it, you're gonna get wrecked. Good luck on those pump and dumps. We're back, Josh.
A lot of money and a lot of cooperation.
Yeah, dude, seriously. Oh, Telegram Connect. Dude, hey, we have the new emotes. Harmonic 1 and Harmonic 2. Holy crap, dude. Look at this, man. Look at this in Patreon chat. We have them now, man. Look. The little harmonics, dude. They're amazing. Hype in the chat for harmonics. Emotes.
Bruh.
Let's go, dude. See if once I get 30k subs, I'll be able to have member status, and when I have that, I'll be able to create emotes in the chat, so y'all can spam a bunch of harmonics and crazy stuff. Viking, I don't even know, anything we want. Judge Alice and Nathan pictures in the YouTube chat. So that is why
At
30
30K, you get the gray name if you go chat in someone else's chat.
Nope, that's 100,000. So
Wow.
I don't even care about that. I care more about being able to put emojis in our live chat. That's important. That's like Twitch. That's what you get at Twitch once you get one, you become affiliate partner, which is nothing. So like, yeah, the road to 30k is important because it will make our live chat like way more fun, right, for everyone. So
30K, God, that's
I know, it's so stupid, right? Like,
Dude, we were
YouTube
joking,
is
we were-
dumb, man, when it comes to this
we were
stuff.
Yeah, but we were at 3,000 for so long.
I know, man.
It's insane.
3 to 4,000, and then just boom. It doesn't feel like much time. But that's 6 months, man. Right? 6 months from 3,500 to 19,000.
I started watching you March 2018, so
Yeah, but it's like had a channel hop, man.
crazy.
All these people, like, the only people that had my interests in mind were the people like in this community. Like, those are the only ones. Like, the people that were like, "Come on over to my channel, man," or "You should stream." Hey, you know what? I like Hives on Crypto because they were the ones that helped me get started, right? Even though they screwed me out of 20k, fine. I like Matt Beasley because he helped me figure out my own brand, and it was really like, yep.
Texted
So
you and he said, "I'll be in Birmingham tomorrow to get you set up."
oh yeah,
So
yeah,
all
yeah.
that went down, and he was there the next day getting you set up.
Yeah,
About
and-
all
and-
the stuff that was going on, and
And so, like, both of them, right? Like, I think they had their roles in the universe. The way it
everything
works.
happens for a reason.
Exactly, that type of
Talked
stuff.
about that, man. You end
Yeah,
up,
but you don't see it at the
Just
time.
spot.
You don't see it at the time.
No.
At all.
it's hard to. You have dark cloud cover.
Dark cloud cover at first, you reversed, then you
Yep.
pivoted to higher low, and you run again. Yep.
Then you're a piercing line, and it's just
Overwhelmingly bullish
Time.
conditions.
yes.
So, Crypto
Yeah.
Cracker, man.
Bullshit again.
Marco Rivera. Okay, weird. What's weird, Marco, man? Josh, you found me because Alex Cobb, man, the king, still doing his thing over on his channel. I know it's just like, there's just not much going on. I mean, XRP, I think there's news coming out every day, and when I tune in for a little bit, it's just like, dang, dude, this news is not affecting XRP's price at all. And it's just, here we go, forever on that road, the XRP 32 cent gang, okay?
The Grau theory might have a higher reliability now than the Dow
Oh
theory.
yes, it does. Yeah.
If we go back to candlesticks and times that it takes to come back to the Dow theory, the Grau theory.
The Dow Grau theory. It's like the Dow Jones, right? The Grau Jones, the Grau Dow. The Grau Dow theory, man. Anyway, yeah.
The Grau theory, the 32 and a half most important cents of the crypto market, or the Dow 30 is
Oh, yeah, dude.
30 most
Yeah.
important indices of the stock market sectors.
Much
Alex
less.
streaming now is kind of like us when BTC was sideways for what 6.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. It was like 3 months, like a quarter.
I mean, you look at gold starting to break out, and the I mean, this is what this was created for back in. I mean, you had true panic because, I mean, when the market crashed,
Sabash.
I mean, it took 9 months for gold to get back to where it was pre-crash, almost a year. So to have your money back, then it did run, but it was like, I was lucky. I had cash on hand, and you had cash as king, and it was house repos for nothing, left and right. And held on to them for a little bit, and so yeah, it's diversification, much more in the markets that you can do now. We've cryptocurrency, which is that's why I'm in it. It's a store of value.
Sure, man. It's just like it's just a different thing. It's so different than everything else that's ever existed, and it's cool. And I think it's just a deathbed. I like dubbing it the term the deathbed.
Takes the middlemen out, and
yeah,
we're in control of our own money. Yeah, it's volatile, but this is so infantile.
Hey,
this is literally Mary Poppins when
eat your fish oil or whatever.
When they're saving their penance or whatever they're called, and he goes and deposits them into the bank to start a savings account.
Isn't that their shillings, dude? I don't know, dude. Anyway,
song. They do a song about it. But
hey, someone's talking about you in chat. This Josh said you sound like the voice from Dad on Bob's Burgers. What does that sound like?
I've heard that before, and also American Dad or something like that.
Yeah, maybe, man. Chop and Brock, congratulations.
Bruh.
I haven't chat for Chop and Brock making 100% return in 4 days on the TVIX 3-time leveraged volatility asset. Let's go. What Metro logos?
Stay in those 3 times leverage things for 4 days.
No Cosmic Elf. Go look at the Alabama Crimson Tide logo.
Day
Google it.
trades on those things. Just going to those. You get eaten apart. Your
What was
leverage is
that?
reset the next day.
Someone just knocked over
And they
something,
take
dude.
fees.
Hey, how can I talk to you guys and watch you live?
You have to mute the stream.
Yeah. Just gotta turn it off, or turn off the stream.
Or you can turn it on. You can leave it on. You just mute it.
I have a lag though.
Yeah,
That's
you're
all
gonna
I
have a
do.
lag. There's nothing you can do. It's like welcome to the interwebs when you're trying to push over like all this stuff, this graphical encoding. It takes a minute to get from me to you, and I don't have delay on. I could show you the settings where I do not have any kind of stream delay on. It's just the way YouTube is, and Twitch is a little bit better, but it's still somewhat lagged. It just sucks, man. Welcome to YouTube.
YouTube sucks.
For streaming, for sure. But it's hey, look, man, my audience is here, right? The adults that care about investing in themselves, they're on YouTube. They're not on Twitch. Those are children. So I would never grow because of my mission and what I'm trying to do, right? Over there. Wouldn't grow at all. Just have a bunch of scrub kids with their mommy and daddy's money and them not being in the real world, right? Trying to make it. So
Tuppence, yeah. Putting their tuppence in the bank.
Ryan's asking what I do with all the S coins. People super chat me. No one ever super chats me crypto. They super chat me fiat, and it's fiat and it stays fiat. But people will sometimes tip me in S coins, Bitcoin. The majority of my tips come from Bitcoin, or if they're tipping me crypto. And then the others, the altcoins, I'll leave them. I just keep them. I don't move them. So they sit there. Unless someone like specifies in the TTS, hey, you should transfer this from whatever this is to Bitcoin. We had that in the past where people requested that on my birthday. So that's it, man. They just sit there. I've got a lot of Ethereum Classic somehow, thanks to Claudio, right? Ethereum, Litecoin, just all of them, dude.
What happened to the Seth challenge? I forget.
Oh, I failed, dude, by like 30 minutes. And that's it. We're not gonna go into it.
Is it live?
It was live.
Okay. I'll watch
It was live, dude. You'd never know. All right.
I know the backstory. So
That's all you need to know. Well, then good. Then watch the stream. Did you not watch it live?
No, I haven't seen it.
I mean, I want to go. I need to watch it too. I was
Saturday
just
night?
Saturday day in the hot Vegas sun, man.
Yeah, I was in Canton, Ohio.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't think our laptops would have made it another 30 minutes.
I would never go, I'm not going on Mixer, Kyle. No way. Just because Ninja and Ice Poseidon went, give me a break. Never going. Again, that audience is not for me. The audience that care about investing in themselves are all on YouTube. It's proven, dude. Okay. Twitch streams, you're eating mental Swiss cake rolls. Okay. You're not investing in yourself anywhere on Twitch. Not really. Okay. You're just sitting there to veg out. Here, we're trying to instill and empower, or we're trying to instill power into you. Okay. Not sexually.
Bruh.
But you get what I'm saying, right? It's just a different thing. It's like what streaming was really meant to do was to spread the word of education to others, where most people just use it to, I don't know, scream racism and whatever. You know, dude, just, I think if you've seen enough streams, you know. And that's why it's only been in existence for about 5 years. So we're just taking the best of that world and putting it together with some sort of university, right? Like trying to make it like some sort of, look, you're learning about stuff, but we're also, look, man, you can only stay attentive for so long. Everyone has their attention span. So you work hard for a little bit, you do an education segment, and then you pull back, engage with chat, let people recoup, process the information, you go back again, and you come back and forth, right? You know, if you're in a classroom setting for an hour or more, they're not doing that. They're going hardcore the whole time, right? And streams aren't teaching anything. So we're trying to take the streams that are entertaining and fun and putting them together with some sort of education, some sort of schooling or classroom setting, right? Making it, merging it, revolutionizing it in a way, right? Trying to pull a Bitcoin on streaming. Okay, that's what we're doing here.
It's developed so much. And the first times, it would literally just be, as soon as people would hop in the chat, they'd type in the coin they wanted, and you'd write them down, and then just start going down the list.
Yeah, remember, dude. But yeah, these days,
Those days are gone.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Sorry, man. Not the way it goes. It evolved on its own. It was like self-evolving. Like
it became what we wanted to make it. You know?
It did.
It's great.
Been live 2 hours 15 minutes. What I think I'm gonna do is just roll out at this point, get some rest.
Good night, brother.
To get ready for a Friday stream. Maybe we get some excitement tomorrow. 3-line strike. We'll see what it manifests into. Don't give up hope yet.
Hey,
We
she
just-
got features closing at tomorrow afternoon, so she should have a little action.
Yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see how it goes. Maybe we get a weekend extravaganza we haven't gotten in a while.
Then when we were up this high, we had the Friday pumps or the weekend Warriors runs.
Oh, we have. It's been a while though. Looking forward to
some
seeing
of the
maybe.
highest volume was on like a Saturday. It was insane.
Yep, it is really insane. They're over. They're like doing it from their homes, getting drunk. I don't know, in South Korea or something, I guess. But all right, I'm a hang up over here on Discord and getting out of here on this. I'm gonna say goodbye to everyone. So Prebs,
Good night, brother.
all y'all, amazing, so fun.
Later, Mitch.
Thanks,
Yep.
man.
Y'all are kings. I'll talk to y'all at some point. Hit me up
Good
in
night,
the
chat.
Night.
From
Good night.
love from Dad from Bob's Burgers.
Yeah, there you go, man. Burger Connect.
Bruh.
All right, love y'all. Peace. All right, chat. Let's turn up these tunes as I make my exit. Been live now for 2 hours 15 minutes. Thanks so much for the likes, the love, the contributions. Luda the Finn coming in with $120.33 on the night. Session Top Jesus. But then Probes though, Probes came in with actually more than that. With the C note, Enola Gay with all the 1058s, he actually was on top. Ended as top Jesus man. So shout out to Probes. But love y'all. 3-line strike. Let's see what it manifests into. Will it go higher, or will it just be one of those false prophets? You could spell it either way. You know what I'm talking about. I'll be back. Till next time. Respect the T. Hey.
Bruh. Bruh.
Is that a joint?
Oh, the front radio, man. Oh my god.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.